2 a.m. and the rain is falling.
What?
Sana all.
How?
Here we go mga idol. Tara, panoorin natin si Kuya na napakagandang boses. Siguradong mai-inlove kayo sa boses nito. Grabe. So pakipalo na lang po ang kanyang Facebook page, GMD Jam. Tara. Ayan na.
2 a.m. and the rain is falling.
Wow.
What? Here we are at the crossroads once again.
Sana all.
You tell me you're so confused, you can't make up your mind. Is this meant to be?
Oh my God.
Rescue me, but only love can save.
Wow.
Try and walk away, but I believe for you and me, the sun will shine one day. So I just lay my bones, pray you'll ever change your
Oh
mind.
my God.
But I can make you see it through. That's something only love can do.
Wow. Grabe. Lupit.
In your arms as the dawn is breaking,
May nanalo na.
face to face and 1,000 miles apart. Try my best to make you see there's hope beyond the pain. If we give enough, if we learn to trust, but only love can save. Try again and walk away, but I believe for you and me, the sun will shine one day. So I just lay the bones, pray you'll never change your mind. But I can make you see it through. It's something only love can do.
Wow. Grabe. Lupit. Sinong hindi mai-inlove sa boses nito ni Kuya? Napakaganda.
I know if I could find the words to touch you deep inside, you'd give a dream just one more chance. Don't let this be your last goodbye. But only love can save.
Grabe.
Try again and walk away, but I believe for you and me, the sun will shine one day. So I just lay my board, pray you'll never change your heart. But I can make you see it through. That's something only love can do.
Grabe.
That's something only love can do.
May nanalo na best. Grabe. Yun po mga idol. Grabe naman idol. GMD Jam. So panoorin na ito mga idol, no? Paki-follow po ang kanyang Facebook page, GMD Jam. Grabe naman. Huling hirit ni Guard bago kami magbakasyon. Grabe naman talaga ang boses ni Lodi. So kayo dyan mga idol, anong masasabi nyo sa kanyang performance? Sa kanyang rendition na talagang mapapawaw ka talaga. So please comment down below mga idol kung nagustuhan nyo ang kanyang rendition, ang kanyang performance. Please paki-follow po ang kanyang Facebook page, GMD Jam. Grabe naman talaga. So, kung i-rate ko po ang kanyang performance, well, nasa mga 9 talaga mga idol. Ang ganda talaga ng boses niya. Talagang original ang datingan. Okay, hanggang dito na mga idol. Yan po ang ating mga dugong Pinoy. Pagdating po sa kantahan talaga, malupit talaga. God bless mga idol at ingat po kayo lahat.
I tried so